Welcome to Park It, Theme Parks Edition. Today I'm going to tell you 10 things you should know about Disneyland FastPasses. This will be about a 7-minute video. If this is your first time visiting Park It, Theme Parks Edition, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button so that I can help you plan your trips to Disney and help you maximize your theme park experiences. The number one thing you should know about Disney FastPasses is that using the app is the best way to book them. This means that you will need to have a Disney MaxPass. If you don't know what that is, please watch my video called Disney MaxPass Explained in 5 minutes. MaxPass is what will enable you to book FastPasses through the app. This will save you a lot of time because you can book more FastPasses through the app. You spend less time walking to a FastPass Distribution Kiosk in the park, and it's simply easier to keep track of all of your FastPasses on the app. I strongly encourage you to take the time to familiarize yourself with the app and use it as much as possible before you get to the park. The second thing you should know about FastPasses is that you must be in one of the parks to book them. The app technology is very smart and will recognize if you attempt to book a FastPass outside of the park. Even if you are in downtown Disney, which is a short distance away from the Disneyland main gate, you will not be able to book a FastPass until you enter the park. The third and perhaps most critical thing you should understand is the logic behind the timing of FastPass distribution. Disney only distributes a certain amount of FastPasses per day. When you go to book a FastPass on the app or at a kiosk, you are assigned a specific time to come back. Other people who are booking their FastPasses at the same time will also be assigned to this group. When that group fills up, then Disney opens up a new group with a new time slot, and it continues that way until all the FastPasses run out. Here's an example to help you understand FastPass timing better. Let's say that you want to book a FastPass to Radiator Springs Racers, and you get onto the app at about 10 a.m. to do so. You notice that the first time that you can come back is 5 p.m. This is because all of the FastPasses for Radiator Springs Racers have already been distributed up to 5 p.m. The example that I just gave you goes perfectly with the number 4 thing you should understand about FastPasses, and that is how important it is to pay attention to the time. If you want to be able to book the most FastPasses that you possibly can in one day, you have to start paying attention to the time as soon as you wake up in the morning. Plan to arrive at the park early so that you have plenty of time to go through security. Once you get into the park, preferably right when it opens, go ahead and book your first FastPass. Please note, you will have to wait 90 minutes to book the next FastPass from the time you book the first one, and it will continue that way throughout the day every time you book a FastPass. You really need to pay attention to this 90-minute time interval, especially to when that 90 minutes is up. You'll want to book a FastPass right away, so if you're not good at keeping track of time, ask somebody else in your group to do this for you. That way, you can get as many FastPasses as possible in one day. The number 5 thing you should understand about FastPasses is that you always want to book FastPasses for the most popular attractions first. This is because those FastPasses will run out more quickly. You can always risk standby, but chances are that the standby line for a popular attraction is going to be very long. For example, when we were in Disneyland, we waited about 2 hours in the Hyperspace Mountain line. So try to book your FastPasses for the most popular attractions right away. The number 6 thing you should understand about FastPasses is that not all attractions utilize FastPass. Here's a list of attractions that do. This screenshot was taken directly from the Disneyland app. The attractions circled in red will most likely run out of FastPasses before the end of the day. Please note, there are other attractions that are not circled in red that could also run out as well. I think a lot of it just depends on what time of year you're visiting the parks and how crowded it is. There are actually quite a few attractions that do not utilize FastPass. Some of the most popular ones include Millennium Falcon, Smuggler's Run, Pirates of the Caribbean, Peter Pan's Flight, Meeting Mickey Mouse, Dumbo the Flying Elephant, Jungle Cruise, Disneyland Railroad, and Autopia. There are other attractions, of course. This is just a list of some of the more popular attractions. The number 7 thing you should know about FastPasses is that sometimes if an attraction breaks down or has a problem, you will be issued a replacement FastPass. You can then take this replacement FastPass at any time of day to any attraction that utilizes FastPasses. When this happens, the replacement FastPass will appear in the app with your other FastPasses. The 8th thing you should know about FastPasses is that you can still use them even if the app or your phone aren't working. Just take your paper park entrance ticket and scan it at any FastPass entrance. Try not to lose this paper ticket and keep it in a zipped pocket if you can. The ninth thing you should know about FastPasses is that you want to allow plenty of time to get from one FastPass attraction to the next. If you book a FastPass in somewhere like New Orleans Square and then have to rush to Tomorrowland right after, your group might get pretty tired. So plan wisely, especially if you have kids with you under the age of 10. The 10th thing you should know about FastPasses is that there are several FastPass distribution kiosks where you can print FastPasses in the park. Please note that Disney may decide to discontinue these kiosks at some point, so it is best to just use the app. The kiosks that I am aware of are near Indiana Jones, Matterhorn bobsleds, Splash Mountain, Hyperspace Mountain, and Cars Land behind Ramon's Body Shop. If you know of any other FastPass distribution kiosks in the park that I've missed, please comment below and let me know. Here's a summary of the 10 things you should know about FastPasses. Number 1, use the app. Number 2, be in one of the parks to book FastPasses. Number 3, understand the timing of FastPass distribution. Number 4, pay attention to when you can book your next FastPass. Number 5, book popular attractions first. Number 6, not all attractions utilize FastPass. Number 7, replacement FastPasses are sometimes given. Number 8, you can still use FastPasses booked through the app without your phone. Just make sure to have your paper ticket. Number 9, allow enough time to get to the next FastPass attraction. And number 10, be aware of the FastPass kiosk locations in the parks. Thank you so much for watching my FastPass video. If you found it helpful, will you please like my video and share it? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. You can subscribe by clicking the Park It logo in the right-hand corner of this screen. I post a new video every single Friday, and the next video in my Disneyland series is going to be Disney Do's and Don'ts. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching Park It Theme Parks Edition, and I hope we can connect soon.